October 2025, the Quail Games. Here's an update. We have 4 contestants left. One's in that little house right there. And I put the rest of the contestants that survived in the other cage. That's all you get. Just a little sneak peek. Anyway, back to the games. I've made their area much smaller because that hawk had a way too easy to get them. Now, if it just flies overhead, they can just head in there like one just did right now. And I think I'm gonna leave the milkweed for now until I decide when to end the quail games, because it should have been cut in September. But it's fine. Alright guys, bye.